All right, so here we have our AV playback station, and you can see that we have quite a few components here that basically allow you to play back vinyl records right here, and then also audio CDs down there. In order to turn it on, I tried to label things as much as possible so it's not too difficult to figure this out. The first thing you would need to turn on is actually the audio mixer right here. It's a flip switch around the corner. Second thing you turn on is the amplifier, the power amplifier right here where it says 2 main. And then let's say you want to play back a vinyl record. You would turn on your turntable. There's a little twist switch on the top here. Turn that on, put your record on. Make sure it's the right side. And carefully put your tone arm onto the vinyl and then hit the start-stop button right here. And then you can use the mixer in order to set the volume.